Ready? No, focus on what you're doing, guys, not what each other's doing. Break. Good job, guy. Where's Emerson at? Emerson! Where'd he go? You ready?
Yeah. Maybe he passed us.
No.
Are you hanging on?
Nope.
This is easy. Well, this is really flat to ride your bike on.
It's a good place to learn, huh?
I want to come here every weekend so I can practice.
Good job, Preston. Break 2.
Ow!
What's wrong?
What's this light?
It's called a reflector. So when you're riding, cars can see you. Their headlights will reflect on that.
Just like,
You
why
see?
do other bikers?
All bikes, even cars, see this?
Yeah.
That's a reflector. That's a reflector.
Okay,
Okay.
Daddy, can you push
Ready?
it? Yeah.
Isn't it beautiful?
What the? Wow. Hey, do you have a timer?
A timer? I do not. Keep pedaling. Get back on the road. Brake. Okay. Oh, that looked great on YouTube. Preston crashes into a tree. Okay, ready?
They don't push it too hard. It's a lovely bike.
You going around again? You going back to the van?
Where's Emerson anyway?
We'll find him. He's right.
Going around again though.
Okay, we'll find Emerson.
Oh!
Just keep. Oh, good job. Good job. The brake. You're doing good.
Fast.
See though, when you're going fast, it was pretty easy to stay up. There's Emerson right over there. I see him. I think he's going over there to meet a friend. You ready? Let's go find him.
Okay, give me a little push.
Should have brought my running shoes.
So me and Emerson know how to ride a bike, but Emerson doesn't really.
Just focus on what you're doing, Preston. Bring that back.
Where's Emerson?
I think he's right up here by the truck.
Okay. Keep pushing and we'll push.
Ready?
Is this it?
Keep going. I don't see Emerson. He must have gone on. Oh, brake, Preston. Whoa.